The cat is sitting on the table. The dog is sitting under the table. The boy is standing under the roof. Kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying over my head. I'm sitting in the chair. The baker is standing at the door. Soldiers moving along the wall. The tiger went across the bridge. The lion moved to the tunnel. The kids are playing in the park. The kids are waiting at the park. The thief ran away to the window. The ladder is leaning against the wall. The rabbit is sitting next to the girl. The rabbit is sitting beside the girl. The car is parked at the door. The car is parked in front of the door. The car is parked behind the house.